Hello, friend, and welcome to this review of Freedom Mentor Apprentice by Phil Pustejovsky. My name is Maverick, and I'm going to be your reviewer for today. And we are going to be talking about this program. Is it suitable for you? Is it something that you can go for? Is it a scam or not? If all these things are what you have in the mind, then that is exactly what we're going to be talking about and treating in today's video review. Based on how we know Phil, he is a real estate guru, okay, and he's been doing this for over 10 years based on what he said, and he has several students that he has taught how this works, okay. And also he claimed that he was homeless. There was a time he was homeless and he got elevated through a mentor, and he claimed that this method also can work for a lot of people if you have a mentor who can take you through exactly how real estate works, majorly traditional real estate, on exactly how it works, okay. And just like you can see here is the landing page or the sales page of this program, and all you have to do is just to input your details there and you apply, okay. So the thing about this program is that it is not really an open program where you're gonna see all the price or whatever you're gonna be learning, okay. The only thing majorly here is just explanation of how it goes, and also some of the reviews, okay, of his students that have already enrolled for this program, and they are already seeing results, okay. The thing is that it didn't really include the review of students that didn't see results. Okay, so it's the student that always see results that they always put in their sales page, which is normal, okay. Everybody is just trying to make money online also. So there are a lot of things about this program, okay, but the first thing is that Phil is kind of a legit guy, okay, because he gives a lot of value. Even his free stuffs are always valuable, like he gives a lot of value. So also the paid is also valuable. And also he actually said this type of business, this type of traditional real estate, you don't need to have a lot of things. Just with a phone, a laptop, and also you having a printer and an internet connection is all you need for you to start getting results from this type of opportunity, okay. And just like you can see right there, you can see Phil, and this guy is a real estate coach and is kind of very good. And now one thing about this program is that compared to other programs whereby when you pay you have access to all your money, which means by the time you pay for the program, that is all you need. The rest is just for you to invest your time or your money and to develop your business. But in this type of Phil's business or the program, aside you paying for the course itself, which is around $3,000, okay, from all the code calling that we had. So with the team, it's $3,000 for you to enroll for the program. Then after you finish enrolling, any money that you realize along the way, you have to pay 50% to Phil's agency, okay. So you have to pay 50% to Phil's agency, which I think that is kind of another level. Okay, I've never experienced something like that, whereby after paying for a program you still have to share your profit, okay. So that is just how this works, okay. And let's just go straight to this technique and the let me just say the bad side of it, okay. That is just what you have to know about this program. And Fuel is a confirmed guy, legit guy. He gives a lot of value, okay. That is one thing about him, okay. But the bad aspect of this is that it's a greedy approach to me, okay, because you have to pay money to learn the program, and after learning the program you still have to share your profit with him. So I mean, this is just like other people working for him. That's just something to me, because you still go ahead, learn something from someone after paying $3,000 for something, and aside that you still have to share your profit, okay. And also, although it has a threshold, but you need to have $100,000 threshold before you'll be free and start getting full profit of it for yourself. So that means your sales record has to be around $200,000 for you to start being independent on your own and start earning all your profit. Because by the time you earn $200,000, 100,000 will be for him and you have 100,000. So that is when you're free, and that is when you reach the threshold of you now taking all your profits. And this thing is not easy, because even to get $10,000 is not easy, okay. So that is what you need to know. And not how everybody who enroll for this program is gonna make money, like majority won't, okay. So you need to see how that works. So I feel this is a greedy approach, because it should have been something of maybe you join for free, and when you join for free, any money you see, you share the profit with him. That is cool. Or either you pay for the cost of the program and you take all the profit for yourself, okay. So I feel it should be one or the other, okay, not the two. Like you pay for a program and you still have to share your profit, okay. Instead of you paying for the program and you take all your profit, or you join the program for free and you share the profit. I think that is more cool. But we have a lot of students also, I've seen some people review online and saying they are cool with it, they are blah 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 with it, but it's all to them, okay. We don't know if whatever they are saying is really from the depth of their mind, or they're just saying that to just glorify their mentor, okay. Also, there are not several gurus in the traditional real estate niche. Okay, there are a lot of gurus now, and a lot of people in it who are doing this method of real estate investing, whereby you do everything online now. A lot of people now are into this, so the competition is now getting too much. Okay, and a lot of people just want to have real estate, investment. They just want to start it because they feel it's more long term and where they can invest their money, and just live financially free for the rest of their lives. A lot of people are in hate, so something that you should have kept the profit to yourself and you still have to share, then I feel that is kind of shitty. Okay, so now that is just all about this. I wouldn't talk much because this is just what you need to know, and you already know the price and you already know the bad side of this, I see. But if you're the kind of person that you can cope with this type of method where you can share your profit, okay, with him even after paying for the tutorial or the program, then it's fine. Okay, it's based on you. But someone like me, I can't pay for a program and still go ahead and share profit. It's not possible because the program is high ticket. Okay, and you still have to spend a lot of money. Again, you still need more capital. Okay, still need more capital to incur to take care of some expenses and some all that all by yourself. So I can't spend all those money and still go ahead and share my profit with someone. Okay, it's either I go for the course for free and I share the profit, which is cool, or I pay for the course fully and I get all my money for myself. Okay. Moreover, you also need to be able to code pitch. Okay, so you need to have techniques to which you can, code pitch and also, go gaga in everything you are doing. Okay, you need to be able to, just go extreme because a lot of people are also into this. Compare the numbers of students who have enrolled in his program. Okay, and his technique is being known by a lot of people. So you need to know that you need to also have your own, unique technique to also code pitch and do a lot of things just for you to make money. So if you're the kind of person that you are too cool and you don't even like talking too much to people and you're just this private person, then this is not really something you can involve in. Okay, so I'm not saying you should go into real estate, but this method of real estate is kind of shitty a little bit because this guy, even without doing real estate, just the moment the majority of the students are sharing profits with him, he is making money on autopilot, which means he doesn't even have to work before he make money because this is just kind of something of all this network marketing approach. Okay, whereby the company earns the money. Okay, so after you even invest to buy their product, you still earn money more than you. Okay, so in something like this, it's also what this guy is doing because it's just there. You go ahead, do all the work, and you still share the profit with him. Okay, so even if it doesn't do real estate, even if it's not really booming much in real estate, he already has the student making money for him. So this is exactly how this works. All right, so if you feel this is something cool, you can go for it. Voila. Okay, I wish you all the best. And if you want to know maybe if this is a scam or not, it is not a scam because there are a lot of people who have enrolled for it. And the moment they teach you exactly what you need to know, and right there you can see that everything he kind of review what you need to know in the sales page, which means he told you that they are gonna share the profit with you. So it's normal. He already told you everything. So I wouldn't say it is a scam, but the technique is kind of greedy. Okay, and also Phil himself gives a lot of value on his platforms. Okay, so if you feel it's cool with you, you can go for it. Okay, but if you feel this is something that you can go for, then you can join us in the YouTube community. Okay, you can learn more about YouTube marketing. Even with YouTube marketing, YouTube and other platform is where Phil get a lot of his audience. Okay, he has a YouTube channel where he gives a lot of value, and through YouTube also he's been able to get a lot of students without even running much money on paid ads. Okay, it doesn't mean he doesn't run hard, he's running ads, but he get a lot of students from YouTube and some other places. Okay, so you can start a YouTube channel, and with a YouTube channel you can even start your own real estate. It doesn't matter, you can, once you review real estate stuff, you can also make money. Okay, so YouTube requires zero capital to start. This is just you doing something during your leisure time, and you can make money from it. I'm a YouTuber, and this is one of my channels. Okay, I have several channels on YouTube that I operate, and I'm using it to grow consistent revenue. Okay, so if you want to join me, I have a free tutorial that is going to open your mind and your eyes and clear every doubt that you might have about YouTube, in which all these doubts are something that is stopping you, maybe thinking YouTube is hard and difficult. I'm going to clear your doubts. All you have to do is to click the link in the video description. Okay, once you click that link, you're going to jump on the free training, and it's going to open your mind, and it's going to also teach you exactly what you need to know about YouTube marketing. I'm going to see you in the video. Also, you can check the screen. You're going to see the link right there. Take care of yourself and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace, and I'm going to see you in the free masterclass training. Bye.